How to fix Instagram story block screen on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Now click on it and that's it. Now just see if there is any update for Instagram, and if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Go to settings, apps, this one for Android phones, apps, and here type Instagram and click on it. Click for stop and go to storage, clear cache. If that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and clear data. And if you have an iOS iPhone, just go and uninstall your Instagram and install it again and restart your phone and try again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.